Hello students, now let us see one more problem, that is the from the electrochemistry. They are saying predict whether the reaction is feasible or not. So this reaction has been given students, okay, and they are asking the feasibility of reaction, and no information is given about the standard electrode potential or the oxidation potential. So let us try to write down the half cell reaction from this. So here is this is 2Ag, it is reacting with the Zn2 plus student. So what it is giving student, it is giving 2Ag plus Zn. So Ag2, this is Ag plus, this is the oxidation, and Zn2 plus to Zn, it is reduction. Okay. Now next point, when you are going a student, that is oxidation happen on the anode. So at anode, what is reaction is happening student, that is Ag is okay converting into Ag plus. So for this one 2Ag you take and 2Ag plus you are getting plus 2 electron you are getting, and for this we know that is electrode potential is how much, 0.80 volt, right? And second one is what they are student at cathode. If we talk about at cathode, so at cathode what reaction, at anode that is oxidation, oxidation. So at cathode that will be the reduction. Okay, so how will be the reaction? So Zn2 plus, it will adsorb that is 2 electrons, so it will give that is Zn. Okay, now for this one E naught, if you are calculating, so how much will be there, minus 0.763 volt. This is there, right? Of these two value we got, there, and both in the terms of reduction potential. So dear students, what you will be able to do, okay, so that is this two cell if you are talking about. So what we will be able to do is student, E naught cell, formula, E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So E naught cathode if you talk about student, so this is the cathode means reduction reaction. So this one, so this value we have to put it out. So minus 0.763 volt, okay, and then minus anode, how much is there student, it is there 0.80 volt. Okay, so up now, so here if you see that is both the symbols are negative, so value will become in the negative, and this will be get added. So how much will come student, minus 1.563, this is coming volt, right student? So E naught cell is equal to this much value is coming. Now student, here you see what we can say right here. Since E naught cell is negative, E naught cell is what student, that is negative. So if it is negative, the reaction is not feasible. Therefore, the given reaction is not feasible. Given reaction is not feasible. Reaction is not feasible. Thank you so much for watching, students.